name's Griffin and I'm the electrical manager here at the Bauer Electrical Workshop. The Bauer is an environmental organisation. We've existed in Sydney for over 20 years. We work providing a space where people can donate goods and have them repaired, reused, and make sure that as little as possible goes to landfill. I actually started several years ago in film and TV, so I've done set design, and that's how I found the Bauer, because the Bauer has cheap and often really beautiful bits and pieces. We used to buy things there for film shoots, and I took the job there, and within about a year they asked me to take a managing role. As someone who'd worked around film and problem solving, they asked me if I could take on a repair capacity. 2 years later, here I am managing the workshop. The Bauer now kind of means everything to me. It's become not only a place of work, but also a livelihood. It's something that when I started, I was interested in these things, but now it really has become incredibly important, and it's also something that I didn't think I would spend my life doing, but I'm now looking into studying sustainability. I want to look into product design as well, because the amount of products that come in that are poorly designed, it frustrates me. And so the Bauer is an incredible community, and it's full of all kinds of interesting people that come through the door all the time. And I don't know, I'm just happy to be a part of it.